Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and I've teamed up with ChocZero to share an easy keto dessert recipe with you. Now, when it comes to keto desserts, many recipes out there will make up a huge portion, and a lot of times you don't really want to have all of those keto desserts lying around. So today I'm going to show you how to make a single serve chocolate chip cookie. Now, this is a white chocolate macadamia nut cookie. So if you want to see how to make this, then keep watching. White chocolate macadamia nut cookies are one of my favorites, and it's easy to turn this cookie into a keto approved cookie, especially with ChocZero's new line of white chocolate baking chips. All of their baking chips are sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free. I use them in all of my baking. Now, I mentioned that this is a single serve keto cookie recipe, so it'll make one large cookie or two small cookies, which is great for when you just have a little craving for something sweet. You can make your single serve white chocolate macadamia nut cookie in the air fryer, the oven, or the microwave, and I'll be sure to include instructions on all three. To make this recipe, start by adding 2 tablespoons of almond flour to a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut flour, 2 teaspoons of monk fruit, or you can use a sweetener of your choice, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of ChocZero's white chocolate baking chips, and 1 tablespoon of chopped up macadamia nuts. Mix these together with a fork and then form them into a cookie ball with your hands. I always recommend placing my cookies in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes. This just allows all of the fats to solidify so that when they bake perfectly and they don't turn melted. Plus, I feel like it gives the flavors a chance to meld together. Now it's time to bake our cookies. If we're going to cook these in the oven, we're going to put them in a 350-degree oven on a piece of parchment paper for 6 minutes. If you wanted to cook these cookies in your air fryer, again, place it down on a parchment paper and put it in your air fryer at around 350-360 degrees for 6 minutes. And to bake these cookies in the microwave, you just place it again on a piece of parchment paper and microwave it at high for around 45 seconds, or you can play with the power of your microwave and shoot the time up longer. Don't forget to tag us, ChocZero, of all of your pictures of your single serve white chocolate macadamia nut cookies.